Let's hop into a whiteboard and talk about the touch features on the GX panel. Now, the GX does have object awareness. It is able to differentiate between my fingertip as being one object, the pens as being a separate object, and my fist or palm, or a larger flat object, as being an eraser as well. Now, the pens operate a little bit differently than you might be used to. The thin nib defaults to black ink, the thick nib defaults to red ink, but I can change that anytime that I would like to here in the settings. We're also able to toggle our touch mode as well. So what you've just seen is that I've been using an object awareness mode here on the GX whiteboard. But I can toggle into a multi-touch mode, so I can have multiple people touching this board all at the same time, or I can change my view again and go into a split screen view as well to enable multiple people to use the board all at the same time and use their own objects uninterrupted by each other. If you're looking for some more information about the GX series, please visit our website, smarttech.com. If you're one of our channel partners, head over to the source for some additional information. Thanks. See you soon.